Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record movie or TV show in Peacock TV. Peacock TV does not allow recording movies or TV shows. There is no DVR or record button on Peacock like there is on cable TV or YouTube TV. But don't worry, there are some alternatives that do the same job. There are some closest things to record on Peacock. Open the Peacock TV app on your phone or tablet. Find the movie or TV show you want to download. Tap the download button. The title is saved to your device so you can watch later without internet. If you just want to save something to watch later, find the movie or show and select download with premium plus. This keeps it saved in a place so you can quickly find it later. Peacock automatically remembers where you stop watching. Start watching a show or movie, exit at any time, come back later and it will appear in continue watching. This works across device as long as you are signed in into the same account. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.